5:30 a.m., journey begins. The day began before sunrise. The sky was still half asleep. And the world was quiet. The highway was empty. Just the sound of our engines and a soft morning breeze. Little by little, the darkness faded. And the sky turned golden. For the friends, we, with a backpack of excitement, started our journey towards the sacred mountains of Srisailam. We whispered, as if answering a divine call. We passed through small villages, where life moved slow and peaceful, and then the Ghat roads began. Curves, hills, deep valleys, mountains rising and falling like waves of the earth, mist hung between the trees. Sunlight filtered through like threads of gold. And silence, the kind that makes your heart listen. The forest was alive, but gentle, like it knew we were guests. We stopped at a viewpoint. Below us endless green valleys. Above us a sky that felt closer than ever. The trees became taller. The air cooler. The forest darker. And then, we saw them, a somber deer grazing calmly, a peacock opening its feathers just as sunlight touched it, and farther, near the wild thickets, the unmistakable presence of a leopard watching silently. We didn't fear. We felt blessed. This was nature speaking, not with words, but with presence. This is the land of the tiger. The heart of the Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. A kingdom where men are only a travelers. And then, the land opened wide, revealing the mighty Srisailam den. Water stretching endlessly. Mountains holding it like a sacred offering. Wind strong enough to feel like a blessing. We stood still, letting the moment settle inside us.